Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Mangutana ko ninyo, kita na mugyawa? Have you ever seen a demon? In today's context, we do not see any demon. I have been a priest for I think 18 years. I haven't seen one. May untag di po ko kakita, ano? But like in our gospel reading today, and even during the time of Jesus, demons would appear. In fact, Jesus was tempted. They even have a conversation with the demon. In the gospel reading today, it is said that there was a deaf mute who was possessed by a demon. The reality of demon continues to exist until today. Pero dili ta kakita. But there are three realities of demons that we need to be vigilant. Dili siguro ta kakita, pero naa sa atong tapad. Three characteristics of a demon. Three things. Number one, evil appears to be good. Evil appears to be good. Ang yawa dili magpakita, but evil will use good things, good people, good circumstances so that we would be tempted. Example, kitang tanan doon na may cellphone. No? Maayo man ang cellphone, pero gamito na sa yawa aron matintal ta. Panalita, nagsimba ta karon, naatay cellphone, magsigig kurog-kurog diha kay nanawag, gidistract ta. The moment ma-distracted ta, tanaw ta sa cellphone, di na ta ka focus sa misa. Because evil uses things so that they will be tempted away from the Lord. Evil appears to be good. Example, ambot, humana ba mo paniod to? No? Kanang pagkaon lami, magyud na. Nya, butangan na diha og crispy pata, no? Butangag ice cream, butangag humba, nya, butangan pag yung ginamos. Maayo man na, pero magsigi na kagkaon na, ang sali mo, gluttony na. In other words, the devil will use good things para kita matintal. Be aware, evil appears to be good. Number two, evil capitalizes our weaknesses. All of us do have the so-called Achilles heel. Natay sa ingong papatiyanan nga maoy gamiton sa yawa aron kita matintal. What are your Achilles heel? What are your weak points? Lain-lain. Ang uban, ang ilang weak point, mao ang pagkaon, ice cream, chocolate. Ang uban sa mga batanon, Facebook. Ang uban, tungod kay lagi perfectionist, kung naihugaw, mga saba na yun. Usahay, gamiton sa yawa ang atong weaknesses. Mababay, malalaki, pagkaon, TV, lain-lain, para kita matintal. Be aware of your weaknesses because the devil will use that. And number three, evil never surrenders. Dili gyud na moundang. Because that is the work of the devil. If we are successful now, that we are attending the Mass, who is happy? The Lord. And who is sad? The devil. But I tell you, the devil will never surrender. Because the devil will come back again stronger so that you will be away from the Lord. Example, simba na kakaron, pero ugma, The devil will use everything, will prevent you from attending the Mass. Nga naman, ugma, siguro mahilantan ka, simba ko lang, no? Siguro ugma, mabisi ka, siguro ugma, ang imong apo, magmanya, di nakakasimba, butangan og mga babag, para dili ka makasimba. So kining mga babag, usahay, gigamit na sa yawa, aron mapalayo ka sa Ginoo. Whatever that is being a stumbling block, that becomes an obstacle, so that you will be closer to the Lord, that is the work of the devil. The devil will never surrender. Dili ingon nga karon overcome ka sa tentasyon, ugma, mubalik ang yawa stronger. So be aware. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, even we do not see the devil in person today, but the devil uses things, persons, and circumstances. And so we have to remember the devil continues to exist until today.